How to delete Instagram account. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. Once you land to the profile page, at the top right corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Now go to the option settings and privacy. Now open the option account center. Over here you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of personal details. Click on account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion. Click on your Instagram account. Now click on the option of delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be also permanently removed. Click on continue. Now here you have to give a reason why you want to delete your Instagram account and then click on continue. For your security, please re-enter your password to continue. After you type in your password, click on continue. With that, your account will be deleted. So this is how you can easily delete your Instagram account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.